Hi, in this video we're about to install the base of the bed, this big aluminium plate here, and we're going to install this stepper motor on the front side in the middle of the printer to tension up the Z-axis belt here. And with all of these things complete, we have a movable base platform. These are the pieces you'll need to install the bed plate. Big aluminium plate here, which is the base, nuts, bolts and washers. Now there is a sidedness or a handedness to do with this plate, and it's around this hole here. It's the only hole along this side. This is where the central Z-axis trapezoidal rod goes. So this hole here is for the Z end stop, and it must go on the back left hand corner. So if you have the plate upside down, this hole will be up here and it's wrong. So this must go on the back left hand side of the printer, this hole here. Right, fast forward maybe. And you'll need a spirit level to level off the plate. So what we'll do is one diagonal like this. Next up, we're installing this stepper motor for the Z-axis here on this piece of plastic. This also tensions up the belt, as you'll see shortly. One of the things you have to make is this little pulley arrangement here. It's all detailed in the documentation, but it will go here, bolted on the bottom there, and then you have a second one here, and then this whole unit goes at the front here. The motor will attach from underneath, and there's these slotted holes here on this plastic part which the motor goes through, and this is what you move up and down to get the tension correct on this belt. Now when you're installing this pulley onto the motor, you leave a 4mm gap between the base of the motor here, or the body of the motor, and the body of the pulley. 4mm gap there. When you're assembling the motor into this black plastic piece, you put the connector for the motor pointing towards the left hand side of the printer. So not pointing towards the middle and not to the right, to the left, because the wires from this motor will run inside the little channel right around here and down into the jiffy box, which is positioned about here eventually. So point it towards the left hand side of the printer. So there we have it. We've installed the base of the bed, we've installed the stepper motor here for the Z-axis, and we've tensioned up the belt here.